is good, y'all? It's your boy George, back with another video. We got another unboxing video today. Today is a special one though. We got the Union Jordan 4 in the Noir colorway, and we're gonna go ahead and take a closer detailed look at this shoe, and as well as we're gonna look at and compare it to the original Union Jordan 1, which I think is one of my favorite shoes of all time. So I'd love to see and compare what they took from the original Jordan 1 and applied it to this Jordan 4. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do this unboxing. So we got the Union Jordan 4 in the black noir colorway. Let's take a look at this beautiful box. The detailing on this graphic right here is pretty insane. I've never seen anything like this. It looks so good. You got the Union Jordan logo here at the top, size 10.5. Got that little hole there. All right. I'm very impressed with this graphic. It's just insane. Oh wow! Look at you. Speaking of insane, look at this tissue paper right here. Very detailed Michael Jordan signing an autograph right here. Wow, this is beautiful. Ooh, there we go. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this, guys. We got the Union Jordan 4 in the black noir colorway right here. Can't believe I got these. I got lucky on these. Let's take the other shoe out real quick, and we'll get into this. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at these Union Jordan 4s. So this shoe came in two colorways, the black noir pair that you see here, and also the guava pair that's exclusive to Union only. And I was able to secure the black pair because I did not want the guavas as much as I wanted these, because I thought this color blocking was a lot better and it fit a lot more outfits that I can pull off with this. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. We got a mesh upper right here. You got a nice suede, durable suede. I don't know if it's suede or nubuck, but it feels very rough. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a very durable fabric. It's not gonna ruin. You got the Nike Air logo on the back. I always love when a Jordan 4 or a Jordan 3, any Nike Air on the back is always a big plus for me. I love that. I love the retro look like that. And I think this fits the shoe perfectly, given it's going for that vintage aesthetic, especially with this like yellow sole, like the age sole. That's definitely a huge trend right now that people are doing, is just yellowing and making their soles look just old and vintage. And I think I'm all for it. It looks pretty cool. So then right here we got the stitched tongue, which everyone pretty much hated this shoe for it. I'll never forget that. And I was not one of those people that hated it, because I figured they were going to do something creative and make you be able to cut off the tongue and make it regular or something. And I called that, and that's exactly what ended up happening. So I think that's a genius idea. Chris Gibbs, you're a genius for that, because I think it's very creative and it's very DIY, which is a big thing that's going on, like I said. And I think it just gives people that option to want to do that, or if they want to get creative with their shoes, they can cut it and do whatever they want. So you can let it up or drop the top or let it up, huh? And so inside it's just that blue with the Jordan Union logo. I don't know if you can see that. You got a blue mesh right here where the shoe switches off, and the bottom of the shoe has that blue red Nike logo and just that yellow sole. So let's go into a little bit of a comparison between this shoe right here and then the Union Jordan 1, and we'll jump into that right now. I want to take a quick second and talk about the similarities between the Union Jordan 1 and then the Union Jordan 4. So there are a lot of things that are pretty similar in this shoe. I mean, one thing is that they both come with these Union orange, yellow laces, whatever you want to call it. It looks a lot more orange than yellow to me. You got both almost same hand tags, one in baby blue this time and the other in red. I think the thing that really stood out from the Jordan 1 was the stitching and using two different shoes from the natural gray on top and then the black toe at the bottom. So I think that's really what made the Union Jordan 1 stand out, and this 4 definitely does take that same principle with the stitching of the tongue. So it still has that. It doesn't go all the way around, but I don't think it has to, because you have the blue colorway, like the blue blocking on the shoe right here, and then the rest of the shoe is black. So I think it's still taking inspiration from this shoe right here, and it still looks great. I think it's a beautiful shoe. They did a great job. Chris Gibbs, you knocked it out the park again. And another similarity, you got the Union LA tag right there as well. But honestly, I love both of these shoes, but the ones will forever be my all-time favorite shoe. I will never get rid of these. These will always stay in my collection. And probably, honestly, the Fords as well. All right, guys, what did you think of the shoe? Are you gonna pay resale for these? Do you think it's worth the hype? What colorway did you like most, the Guava or the Noir? Let me know in the comments down below. I definitely want to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions on this one. Stay tuned next week. I got a special Nike Dunk unboxing, the Community Garden Dunks, and I'll be doing a review on those next week. So make sure go ahead and give me a like on this video, as well as subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And I'm trying to reach my goal of 100 subscribers. So if you guys can make that happen, I'd definitely appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.